Hey everybody, Billy here. Time for an OEM exhaust change on the Tenere World Raid, the 2026 Tenere World Raid. This actually doesn't sound too bad, I've got to be honest. It's a pretty good exhaust for an OEM standard exhaust. But I'm changing it for something that looks a darn sight better and hopefully is going to sound a little bit better. So let's have a look at what I'm getting. Here it is, the Akrapovic for the Tenere. Really looking forward to getting this on the bike, seeing what it looks like, and more importantly, hearing what it sounds like. So I'm going to show you step-by-step removal and installation of these exhausts. So stay tuned and let's get into it. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. That is absolutely stunning. Titanium exhaust, black carbon fiber end cap. This is going to look and sound brilliant. Right, that's the heat shield installed now. Right, to do the job, you're going to need an 8mm hex head and a 6mm hex. So the 8mm is for the end of the bolt here. The 6mm is for the screw clamp here down at the slip-on end. And you're going to need a 14mm socket for the back of the bolt here, just to hold it whilst you're unscrewing here. So let's do the screw clamp first. That's the 6mm. Right, that's nice and loose. So 14mm socket on the back there, 8mm hex. There we go. There's a washer. There's a washer and a nut on the back. And then on this side, there's the bolt and the washer clamp. There we go, it's coming. There we go. Wow, that is a very heavy exhaust, but it sounds really good actually. So don't be disappointed if you can't change your end can, because this actually sounds pretty good. The gasket's all the way down inside correctly. Put the screw clamp on. Let's slip this on over. There we go. Right, so before I do anything else, I'm going to give some support to the exhaust. Alright, put the bolt on the other side with the nut. Right, so that's supported now. Before I do anything else, I'm going to tighten up the screw clamp. So that's tight. That's tight. And the T50 And that is the installation done, as easy as that. So that's it, installation complete. I got the exhaust from Performance Parts Limited. They are a distributor for Akrapovic here in the UK. So there's a link in the description down below. Check them out for all your Akrapovic exhaust needs, as well as other top quality brands that you can look at for and purchase for your motorcycle. I've got other things that I'm going to be adding to this bike, so if you're interested to follow what other installations I'm going to have for my Tenere, don't forget to follow, subscribe to get all the updates relating to installations that I'm going to be adding to this bike, as well as my BMW R1300 GSA. So let's do a sound check. Make sure I'm in neutral. Right, just ticking over, much more throaty than the OEM exhaust, so it does give a totally different sound to it. Oh yes! Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you again very soon.